Hi, welcome to Stretch Workout. This is Mamtaa, your fitness trainer. Once again, some exercises for your third trimester. Third trimester is very challenging. Stay active is a key for easy delivery. So keep doing all exercises which will keep you energetic. Here we are going to do some of the floor exercises which will strengthen your lower back. Whenever you are doing any exercises, please remember to wear a comfortable clothing. Now we are going to do some floor toning exercise and I'm inviting my friend here. Please welcome. Sit down. Keep your legs properly here down. In the line with your hips. Rest your neck exactly. You can use pillow, you can use towel, you can use mat, whatever you want to use it. Please, whenever doing any exercising on third trimester, first try to make sure that you are comfortable. Do not exert yourself. Keep doing with very slow and easy pace. Let's start with a regular crunches where we are going to keep a distance between your chest and chin. Do not come too much up. Do not jerk. When you are coming up, remember you have to come up with your shoulders, not with your neck. Keep doing exercise with very slow and easy momentum. Let's start. Keep your elbows straight. Keep exhaling. Now we are going to do oblique exercise where we are going to take knee inside. But remember, you are not supposed to take knee too much in. You have to keep it in the line with your hip. Let's start with it. Twist your oblique. Slowly. Step down, all the way down. Take your foot all the way down. Yes. Down. Just change your side. Going for a single leg raise up where we are going to use the lower abdominal muscle, which will be the core muscle. Whenever you're doing any abdominal exercise, it's interconnected and interrelated to your core muscle. So you have to strengthen your abdominal. You are side by side strengthening your core muscle also. So please try this. Palm side by side. Lift slowly up and down. Do not exert yourself. Change your side. Keep moving. Lift from your thighs. Totally lift from your thighs. Do not use your knee. Switch. Slowly, hold your belly. Rest. Inhale. Do it very softly and gently. Lift your one shoulder up and keep exhaling. When you get up, try to come on your side and get up. Don't come up straight up. Maintain your posture. Take precautions when you're lifting the things, you're coming up, going back. Always bending should be from your knees, not from your waistline. Take support. Change. Keep exhaling and be happy. Let's start with another exercise for your oblique. Very small and smooth movement, so just go other side and try to reach. Do not jerk. Very small and very smooth movement. Do not get exert. Keep smiling and keep doing. Make sure that you are managing your back. You are not slouching. You are not hunching forward. Your shoulders are out. Your torso is straight. You are exhaling properly. And each moment you are completing. We are concentrating on your obliques. When you are doing any oblique exercises, you are using your outer and inner oblique bones. Keep exhaling. Keep your arms. Flex your foot, going for rowing. Use your arms. Take care of your baby. If you feel you're exiting yourself, please stop. If you feel uncomfortable, do not repeat the exercise. Hope you enjoy doing all these exercises. These exercises will strengthen your muscle. Keep practicing these exercises, but don't forget to take advice from your doctor. Keep doing this. Be healthy, be fit.
Like, share, subscribe for more such informative videos.